Benjamin, 5 weeks old, taking his bath. B-Man. B-Man, show him how you love the bathtub. Show him what a good boy you are. He likes the bath. He likes it. Show where he kicks his legs, honey.
He's just sitting there now. You notice that?
He's just chilling out. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He doesn't mind it.
Should I keep going here?
I just stop it. I just want to